thank you guys for coming in. I'm Savage Siren. I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a fan. So thank you guys for coming in and even getting this far. So stay tuned, and this is probably going to be an adult Nsfw for adult products. So if you're not over 18, you shouldn't be here. And if you are, stay tuned to see what comes out of the box. Hi, I am doing an Amazon unboxing. I got some gifts in the mail for Valentine's Day and / my birthday from somebody who bought off my wish list. I'm assuming this is going to be an adult video. I obviously haven't gotten to look inside to see what I got yet. First one is wrapped in black. Oh, I know what these are. Okay. So, they're straps, because I was looking at my Amazon list because somebody was like, did you get them? And I was like, no, what is it? So I looked. These are straps that go on your legs to hold the vibrator where it's supposed to be. So, we'll see if these actually fit because I am so small, but I am excited to see if that works. I was nosy and I kind of looked at my Amazon because I was like, what could it be? From you. Thank you from Fly Custom Edits. You're amazing. I appreciate it. I am definitely smiling. I gotta see what's in here. Oh, there's a lot of them. Oh, this is awesome. These are all individual glass toys. This one. Oh, thank you. I've been eyeballing that on my wish list, and I'm like, I can't buy myself anything right now, but like, I am so excited. This one. This one, because I only have one and it's clear on the bottom with like a pink heart. So this happened to be a bundle I had seen on Amazon that had a bunch that I thought were kind of cool and cute. So I was like, I don't have any of those. Like, we should put these in the Amazon wish list. And now I'm super excited. Oh, I love that one. It's even got a handle. I think that was all of them. All the stuff over here. And then one more box. Oh, there is so much stuff in this box. Okay. Don't use your teeth to open stuff. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, throwing everything. It is a vibrating butt plug, which I'm excited about. I don't have one of those yet either. And then it looks like 2 outfits. This one's a tie and stockings. So this is a dress. My bad. Dress just goes up. Oh, I'm excited. I think I remember which one this one is. This one's vacuum sealed. I lost my scissors. Oh, that one's so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, that's cute. And it comes with a garter. Thank you. I can't say thank you enough. And I'm assuming this was for Valentine's Day and for my birthday on March. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Oh, that's awesome. This will be the biggest one that, well, like the longest one that I have. So that is awesome. That is, I'm amazed. That is, thank you. A new one for my collection. Oh, I'm so excited. So these were all off of Amazon. This is an unboxing from a fan as a gift for my birthday / Valentine's Day. So I beyond appreciate you. And comment below what you guys want to see for a review as well. If you guys are interested in some of this, I can grab the links as well and put them underneath. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing video, and thank you for sending me the gifts as well. Fly Custom Edits, you're amazing. And if you guys liked my unboxing or just the vibe of the video or anything, make sure you guys click like, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you guys come back for more. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you guys for watching this far. There's a bunch more content still. If you haven't hit subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn notifications on for all. That way you don't miss anything that I end up dropping. Thank you.